arithmetic mean between A and B. 1 by 2 A plus B means we can add and divide by 2. That will give you the arithmetic mean between the two numbers within the AP. Right? Okay, so we simply add and divide by 2. For example, suppose we have to find the value of question number 19. Find.
Can I leave?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Find AM between A minus B and A plus B. We have to find arithmetic mean of these two, right? So how to do that? Arithmetic mean will be equal to half of both the values, right? So add them. A minus B plus A plus B. Solve it. So what you will be getting? 1 by 2. A minus B plus A plus B, right? B will cancel. So this will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 2A, that is A. So arithmetic mean between A minus B and A plus B will be A. Getting that? Another type of question. If the numbers 2n minus 1, 3n plus 2 and 6n minus 1 are in AP, right? Now you have to find n and hence find these numbers. Right? So if the numbers 2n minus 1, 3n plus 2, 6n minus 1 are in AP, then you have to find the value of n, right? And then you have to find these numbers. Getting it? Now, since 2n minus 1, 3n plus 2, and 6n minus 1, these are in the AP, right? That means what? 3n plus 2 minus 2n minus 1. This is equal to 6n minus 1 minus 3n plus 2. Right? Difference will be same. Getting it? Because all the three numbers are in AP. Right? The difference will be same. Now from here, you can just simply solve this. So 3n minus 2n will be n plus 2 and this is plus 1 will be plus 3. This is equal to, now 6n minus 3n will be 3n. Right? Minus 1 and minus 2 will become minus 3. Getting it? So now 3n minus n is equals to 3 plus 3. That is 2n is equals to 6. From here we can get the value of n, that is 3. So this is the value of n. N is 3, right? Now therefore the numbers are 2n minus 1. Putting the value of n here, 2 into 3 minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, 5, right? Then next number is 3n plus 2. Putting the value of n, 3 into 3 plus 2, 9 plus 2, that is 11. This is the next number. Then 6n minus 1, the next number. Putting the value of n, 6 into 3 minus 1, 18 minus 1, that is 17. So these are the three numbers in the AP. Okay. So there are certain things which you need to remember in this, right? So write down an important result which you have to always find. Remember the important result. Now what is that? It is always convenient. It is always convenient to make a choice of three numbers whenever you are taking three numbers in the AP. So what should be your choice? They should be A minus D, right? A and a plus d. हमेशा हमें ये लेने हैं 3 numbers. If you are taking 3 numbers in the AP, then always choose a minus d, a plus d, right? The second thing, 4 numbers. If you want to choose 4 numbers in AP, right? Then there should be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d, right? So if you want to choose 4 numbers in the AP, so always choose these numbers: a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. And if you want to choose 5 numbers in the AP, right, then always choose like a minus 2d, a minus d, a, a plus d, and a plus 2d, right? So always make a choice of such general terms whenever you need to assume some numbers in AP, right? Always make a choice of this. So you can keep it in a box. This you need to remember. Is it clear? Okay, have you noted?
I'm noting.
So suppose you have this question number 21. Sum of 3 numbers in AP is 21 and their product is 231, right? Now we have to find the numbers. So here, what we need to do, we need to assume some numbers in the AP, right? So we will make use of, we will use this, right? Whatever we have done. Let the required numbers be. So what we will choose, because we have to choose 3 numbers, so which we will choose? We will choose this one, a minus d, a and a plus d, right? So let the required number be a minus d, a and a plus d, right? So suppose these are the 3 numbers, okay? Then, now according to the question, what is given? Their sum is 21, right? So write down a minus d plus a plus d, because sum, we have to make the sum, and this will be equal to 21, right? Now solve this. A and a will become 3a. There are 3 a's, right? And d will be cancelled, right? So 3a will be equal to 21, and from here we get the value of a, which is 7, right? Now, another thing which is given in the question, that their product is 231, right? So now find out the product, a minus d into a plus d, right? Product of the 3 numbers. This is equal to 231, according to the second condition given here, right? Now again solve this. So what you will write? So this is a square minus ad, right? We are making the product of a minus d and a, right? A square minus ad into a plus d, 231, right? You're getting that? Okay. So now what you can get?
7.
We will get a square minus d square. Put the value of a, that is 7. 7 square minus d square is equals to 231. 749 minus d square, 231, right? That means 7 into 49 minus 7d square is equal to 231, right? 7 into 41 is, so 7 into 49 is 343.
Ma'am,
343.
can we transpose 7 to the other side? So we do 31 by 7.
Hmm.
So I'll get
So
32.
the same way we will do this. So this is 112, 7d square, right? So d square will be 112 upon 7, right? Are you getting that? So this is equal to 16. Yes or no? So d square is 16. So d is plus minus 4. So whenever we are finding the square root of any number, that can be a positive number, that can be a negative number. So thus we are getting the values a is equal to 7 and d is equal to plus minus 4. Okay. So what can be the numbers? Hence the required numbers will be So what are the numbers we assumed? A minus D, A and A plus D, right? Okay. So we need to find out both the combination, right? So A minus D, A and A plus D, right? Right. So when D is 4 plus 4. So what you will be getting? 7 minus 4, that is 3. 7, A is 7, right? And 7 plus 4, that is 11. So one combination is 3, 7 and 11, which can be possible. Now, if D is minus 4, then it will be A minus D, that means 7 minus minus 4, that is 11, right? A is 7 and A plus D, that is 7 plus minus 4, that is 3. Means this time the series is reversed and this is 11, 7 and 3. Is that clear? So either it is this combination or this combination, 3, 7, 11 or 11, 7, 3. For both type of the set, the sum is 21 and the product is 231. Is that clear?